Okay guys, so I am a very Pinteresty girly. So I got some back charm and phone charm. I think I got some quite a lot maybe, but that's fine. I like buying it, so yes. First one is this. I bought it from Zudio. So this is the brown one, and you see some pearls and kind of flower and lace type, but it's really cute. And the second is, it's a mobile charm, of course, phone charm. This one, EVLI, it's important, and it's in fish shape, so something unique but beautiful. And you can see the little detailing here. It's really nice. And the third is back charm. Yes, this is so cute, guys.